Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? How was your night? Did you like this gold? Wow, amazing. Just see, exactly 4004 level was respected in the Asian session right here today, and market already moved 385 pips. It was too early for me. I couldn't trade it. This is Forex and this much simple it is. I'm not sure why you guys has created it so much complicated for yourself. In the last session what I said, market was yesterday in the NY session what I said, that this is that level which will be giving us good profits. And right here it is. Yesterday in the London session I also discussed this one, and those who took it, very big congratulations to all of you. Literally, if I tell you as an intraday trader, taking each and every trade, well, obviously one must sit 24 hours in front of the PC. So anyone who saw my stream yesterday, I'm sure enough must have got this trade opportunity. Till now so far is 429, and obviously today we have slight resistance as well. This is on the euro dollar, the gold, sorry, the gold. Okay, this trend line yesterday I traded right here, but then when I saw the market is dropping, so like everything was right here in front of you. Everything was right here in front of you, so those who listen to me could actually get into this trade. And by now, let's say you would be like almost you must have hit that daily target. Most of the time, let me tell you, most of the time what happens in Forex is that we hit that target, we hit that very nicely, and we book our profits as well. But the thing is, if we don't stop there, just like yesterday I hit my market gave me my profit, so I stopped trading further. Why? Because if I don't stop trading when I meet my targets, and if I don't stop trading, it means I will be a greedy trader. And that is something I'm preaching for almost like 1 year now, 9 years now, that greed is curse, greed is not good for Forex. So again, congratulations to all of you. This is, this is not my magic. If you get it, this is all your own energy, that is all your own effort. Okay, so, and again, thank you so much for sending me messages and sending me screenshots for your profits. Literally that make me very positive and happy at the same time, because I know that, okay, no doubt if one is making those good decisions on the demo account, still I feel it like someone is at least understanding my strategy. And this is why I come live here, to teach you this strategy, to get you out of those uncertainties. Like 99.9% of the uncertainty lies inside the strategy, because the strategy tells us, okay, where we need to Be patient enough where we need to wait for the market. For example, if I tell you right now, I am waiting for a very good correction, and if that correction occurs, then I'm trading, right? If the correction doesn't occur, I'm not trading. Simple. I just wait for the market. And yesterday and throughout this whole week, I discussed to stay on one side of the market. Don't try to make this market as a money making machine for yourself. You are not robots. We are not robots. So yes, everyone who listened to me will be on the right track of the market, and that's not I'm saying because of I'm a very good person or something. Nah, no, don't like just the strategy I developed. Yes, I can say that that strategy is actually something. That strategy is something. See this result right here, and just see a pin bar, a rejection, and a very good trade of 267 pips as an intraday. Then market came back down, took this level again as a retest, and again the market continued bullish from right here. First time we need just this RSI, second time there was a big divergence spotted on the RSI, very big divergence. So my friends, the thing is, I'm not here to prove anything or to do like, I just want to give you the right path, because the bad phases I have been through, I don't want you guys to stay there for long. And I want to become the reason of people getting out of their bad times, because I know the bad times, when it is the good time, it passes so soon, but the bad time, that doesn't pass soon, that just stretch and stretch. So if I say, okay, when in my stressful days I used to promise myself that one day when I will be out of the situations, I will be guiding others. Okay, so let me quickly check the audio video stream and everything. That's great. As soon as you join the stream, you can like the stream, so it also give me good feedback as well at the same time. Now euro US dollar I will be looking at, and I will be looking at different euro US dollar. Yesterday I discussed it in like much detail yesterday. See this level, this is 1.1590. This trend line is broken. Now this euro US dollar literally can range right here between 1.18 and 1.15, and this is what it is doing. For how much? From 6th of August 2025 till today, and today is 8th of October. So September and October, for 2 months this is ranging right here. But from the higher time frames, well, maybe I think there is a big correction coming, and it will be further confirmed this week. If this weekly candle, let me zoom in, if this weekly candle closes as this, then it will further suggest a drop. So lower time frames, if we see, well, now here is the real thing. Most traders say, okay, if it is dropping, shall we sell right now? Well, then I say, if you are willing to sell, why don't you wait a little bit for a better price? Okay, and this is not by any means a signal service or something. I'm just sharing my own thoughts with all of you. Yesterday it was like just like it was showing us a Fibonacci number. Today it will again be showing us Fibonacci number. And this Fibonacci number is right here. 1.16175. So I mean, even on the higher time frames, if it is dropping, still like one can easily plan for around 20-30 pips. But I'm not in, maybe not interested in this buying, but let's see. I can buy, who knows. Similarly, let's see the pound. On Monday I spotted this trend line, and on same day, on Monday, on 7th of on Tuesday, we have got a rejection from there. Until now so far 118 pips of a drop it is, and there is more drop still expected towards 1.31923, 1.31490, and there is one bigger correction left as well. That bigger correction can come. That bigger correction will be 1.27436 approximately. So dollar index, if we see, dollar index seems to be going up from the levels. See, near each and every level I gave you, it gave profits. Okay, each and every level. Look at this level. But then one must also need to understand how to trade these levels. It's not just about the levels. We need to understand how to trade these levels as well. Because if we don't understand these levels, how to trade them, which direction to trade them, we can very easily get lost. Market, we will be keep trading, and the direction, if the direction is not to the right side of the market, market will be taking us out, right? Anyways, let's move further. Side by side, if you guys have any questions, you can ask me. Today for gold, again I want to see a bit of correction. By no means I'm interested in selling, but maybe during the live stream, if I get a chance near this 4018, I would go for a buy setup first. Okay, if I'm stopped out on this one, then we see, okay, we see later that what further steps I need to take. Side by side, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Michael Jones, how are you doing, my friend? AUD USD, yes, I will check it for you. Here we go. On the AUD USD, there are different things going on. Okay, let me turn off the period separators. Let's zoom in the chart a little bit. You know, this 0.67069 is a long-term resistance level. If we see it on the weekly, the image will be slightly clear. See, this is a level of 2024, 1-year-old level. On the daily, this support is holding the market, and on the H4 it is showing us this thing. Right now on the H4 there is this thing already present in the market. But buying from here, well, I don't think so is a good idea, because for today especially, The good buying level can be this, near 61.8% retracement of 0.6577 approximately if it come back down here. Otherwise, there is one other concept in this, and that concept is this one. It broke above 61.8, and if it stay above it, then it will be continuing back to 0.6622. But the main thing is, and the main question we have is that it bounced off from this level, and this is a 61 of these people. So there is one other possibility of this as well. This is a bit long term, because from there the market will be showing us a drop. Now the drop can, like, we can say the drop is already started, or it can drop from there. But by the way, the yesterday's candle is a bit more relaxed, I should say, and this will be in the future, maybe next week, maybe the week after that. Then if we study the weekly candles, this is the current one which is open, so I cannot say anything about it, but the previous one closed bullish engulfing. So I think this week it will be trying to go and break this level and go to 0.6706. As far as this trend line is holding, we will be treating it bullish, and once this trend line is broken and also this level is broken, then we will be treating it bearish. So I hope it helps you. I think 0.66 it should do. It is trying, gold is trying. Let's see it on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, I may not be buying or I may not be selling because I can get trapped. Ideally, I want this drop to occur so that I can aim for a buy. Right? So that I can do what? So that I can aim for a buy. I mean, look at this candle. This is an can you see the chart? Let me see if you can see the writing. You can see there are two things. Number one is market strategy. Like when a forex trader know about forex trading, there are different things with us. The first thing we need to understand is market structure. Like market structure is the language, I should say. Language of the Forex trading. Now here I want to tell everyone today is that peace, I want to write it down, peace. If a trader is not peaceful, the trader will be keep losing money. Why the trader will be keep losing money? Why? Let me write down. Let me write it down as this. Can you guys answer me? Why peace is so much important for good decisions in Forex? If there is no peace, trader will be emotionally buying right here. And emotionally selling right here. So why? We should understand that okay, if this is our level, if we are peaceful, we can wait for the market. Have you ever seen that whenever you are peaceful, when you are relaxing, when you are enjoying the process, you make this money? But when you are not enjoying the process and when you are just doing it for money, then it is not going to work that way. For example, I can easily tell myself that I want to sell from here, right now from here. It will mean I am in a rush to make money. It will mean that I am having fear that maybe it is going to work with me or not, maybe it can stop me right here. But if I trade this way, then believe me, it will mean that I have fears and doubts. And whenever there is fear and there is doubt, strategy is not going to help us. So ideally, see, like what I want to see right here is that okay, we have, like, you can look at it this way. We were looking for a certain price point, we saw bulls appeared. Now we have to see that okay, if it drops till here, we want to see those bullish correction. If this bullish correction occurs, we can aim to the high side of the market. And guess what? Stop loss will be right here and take like this much of a take profit. And just this much of a stop loss. And if we do it in the longer run, we will be successful. And for example, if I am stopped right here, what I will do is I will wait for my other level. This much simple it is. I'm sure why you guys, why most of the traders, okay? You are my subscriber. I know I get messages from you on WhatsApp, screenshots of profits I receive from you. So I know you guys are making good profits. But even sometimes you also get a little bit trapped. And that is when you focus on two directions. So two directions will lead us nowhere. Okay? Understand this concept, and the early you understand this concept, the better it is for you. Because if you don't understand this peace concept, this greed, fear and mindset concept, the levels and the strategy alone is not going to do anything. And I am a little bit straightforward because I just don't want to make that false hope or false hype just like others do. And hopefully you will know, you stay with me for a bit long term, and you see how beautiful and positive change you can see in your trading when you practice the peace, when you practice the mindset. This level seems so much promising to me, and let's see. Now on last Thursday it fell very badly, so we have to be in the NY session, especially we have to be so much careful. Yesterday was the FOMC meeting minutes, everyone saying it is crashing, it is crashing, it is crashing. I mean, till now so far, where is that crash? Huh? I haven't seen any crash till now so far. This is us who make it complicated for ourselves. Us. Now one can easily say how I am making it complicated for my own self. Well, it means like unintentionally we do it. Ourself we don't know it. Ourself we don't know it that we are making it complicated for ourselves, but if another person see, he will say, okay, this person is making it complicated for himself. He will automatically see it. And I'm so lucky because in my bad times, I mean, every trader go through the bad times. So I'm lucky enough because I get out of those times. Why? Because I get aware of this thing that okay, I am complicating it for my own self. Earlier I used to sell from here also, I want to buy from here also, and by the end of the day get nothing, literally nothing. So then I realized that okay, I need to treat, if I want to become a good trader, if I want to become a profitable one, if I want to do it for living, I have to do what? I have to take it as a real business. And believe me, the moment you take it as a real business, your trading gets better automatically. You automatically, your decisions will be aligned with the market. And always don't trade what you feel. Okay, don't trade on your feelings. I have seen most of the traders, they lose their feelings in the real life, and they bring all of those emotions right here to the market. So I say just leave all of those emotions under the pillow when you come to your trading screen. Just look at it as a real business. Just try to refresh your minds, work on your health a little bit, and then come and see those those positivity in your trading. My friend, I'm trying level best from my side. Rest, it's up to you. If you follow it nicely, that's still your own, for your good cause. And if you don't, still that is also your own choice. Because by force, I cannot. Because I know you guys are not child anymore. You are not child, so that I can by force let you understand this strategy. You are real people, mature people. You are bringing that real money into this market, and if you lose it this way, then what can I say? Now let me show you this concept. On the 1 minute we have got a breakout. So if I was a seller, I would be selling from here, but guess what? It can easily stop me out. Why? Because the main trend right now on the gold is bullish. Let's see this one as well. Euro is approaching my level of 61.8% retracement, but do you think it is falling so badly that image is still in front of me? This level, no doubt, Fibonacci suggests us this as a bullish move. But if I take, I will say, okay, maybe I can get a little bit trapped right here, because yesterday was the same situation right here with us. Then see how much it dropped. Yesterday it was showing us a buy from here. Now these are these corrective waves. When the market is dropping, it will be showing us these bullish waves as corrective waves. On the corrective waves, no doubt the Fibonacci may be failing. See, it failed, but instead it gave us this retest trade, just like I said yesterday. But then since the pip value on this one is a bit lower, so I trade euro dollar in the long term. Long term, still I'm holding with a stop loss up there above 1.19 and my take profit 1.13 and 1.10, and maybe till March I can see 1.08 as well. And I mean, look at these daily candles as well. It's keep printing those selling candles on each and every day. Then similarly the pound dollar, if we see, it is also keep printing this week those selling candles. So there is a big drop coming back to 1.31 very soon on this one, but during this process it can also go back up slightly, stop or grab the liquidity. But right now the long-term liquidity is right here, because right here a lot of the traders took buying decisions. But overall the market, since it is negative, it is coming back down. It is coming back down. No one can stop it. And especially when the dollar index is going up. Now see, earlier I used to do this mistake. I used to sell from here, but the chances of me being kicked out by the market is very high. Why? Because the 1 minute time frame is bigger or stronger, or the 5 minute is stronger, or the 15 minute is stronger. You have to decide. We have to decide which one is stronger. Obviously the higher time frames. And I am remain bullish on the gold US dollar. I every day tell you this. Why I remain bullish on the gold US dollar is because there are no signs of sellers at the moment on these higher time frames. That's why I am bullish, and effortlessly it is giving me good profits. So the thing is, we don't need to be like judgmental on ourselves. Oh, that stop loss hit, so now I have to do this and that. Now my friend, don't think this way. I'm going to record a lot of the educational stuff for all of you. So due to that, I these days get very less time. Michael Jones, there will be a nice trade on NZDCHF. It is at all-time lows and broken 4-hour trend line, waiting for retest of broken trend line for an impulsive upgrade, risk to reward. Okay, good luck for this. Good luck. And yes, if we have no peace, like our psychology will be destroyed. It will be just destroyed. See, if that beginner of top trader was in front of the PC on this candle, I must have stopped out, and now I would say, oh, it stopped me out, let me take a buy. But then the buy will maybe go slightly up and then I will be coming back down, or stopping me out and the market continues in my favor. I would say, oh, it stopped me out and now it is moving in my favor. So let me just break my computer. A lot of people break the computers, the phones, and say, oh God, what is happening with me? Nothing is happening to you. Just get one strategy and stick to it forever and ever and ever. And just don't chase the money. And the money will be like running after you. You will not be running after money. Money will be running after you. But when you stop chasing it, and how will you stop chasing it? You will stop chasing it by taking or following your strategy. Now there are a lot of the traders I know, they say sell from here, buy from here. How, my brother? If the thing is trending up in an uptrend, why you are selling? It means there is that greed inside you. Last Thursday in live, what this market did to us, or to me, in front of you on live Thursday in the live session, I accepted the loss on a buy, but I didn't sold. And then on Friday you saw how that drop resulted in a very big profitable week for me. But if I got panicked and if I entered in a sell, what would happen? I would have lost everything. I would have lost my peace of mind as well. This is this market. This is how we need to treat it. Okay, this is how we need to treat this market. So let's say we have, let's see, we have a whole day left. Literally whole day left we have. Let's see, euro gold is approaching my level, so let's see if I can grab maybe around 171 pips. Has gone nowhere, but let's see how much it gives me. one candle of 15 minutes will be important for me to see. Okay, I will be looking at one candle. I will be waiting for it. Stay with me. This trade is going to be super nice. Just one moment, I will be back. London market will open in 18 minutes, so then we also will know that okay, what happens next. Till now so far, and then these are those early bulls who appeared in the market. But no, my friend, I will wait for my own level. Believe me, the moment I trade another level, I lose. Okay, I lose their trade. I can recover that back. Like what I want to say is the trade entries are near my own levels. So this whole will be a reversal zone for me. This. And I want to see ideally market rejecting from here. If it rejects, then very easily I will be trading it. But let's suppose if it continue from right here, because there is also one Fibonacci number right here as well. This is for scalping. Okay, this one will be for scalping, but I am like not interested. Why I'm not interested? This is recently established move, and this is the move all the way from a yen session. So I think maybe when the London market opens, they will try to push it down. Maybe there can another attack be happen to break 4004, because this is such a big zone with us. But those who saw my stream, see, 406 pips it went up once, then 368 pips, 700 pips effortlessly this trade this level gave us. But how? Because we followed our own direction, we followed our strategy. That's why we get it. That's why we get it. Now here is another mindset. Let's say if I take a buy and the market stops me out, I will say like the negative. If I want to make it complicated for myself, and if I want to make myself negative, I will say, oh, I could have sold from there, why I didn't sell. It means I am making it complicated for myself. It means that I am losing grip over my own system or discipline. This is just the beginning. Okay, if I get a good audience, I will keep continue these sessions. But when I don't get good views or good audience, I think maybe there are traders who are not liking my strategy, so then I slightly get demotivated. I just then do the weekly forecast. I don't do the intraday stuff then. But believe me, in the live streams, I can teach a lot. Everyone just these days want to have those 10 or 12-minute quick videos, high five, flashy, edited videos, get like views in lakhs and thousands and thousands. But the one who is telling you the right path doesn't get the views. Why? Because maybe some, I think maybe the truth is what people don't follow. As far as I'm telling you right here in this stream, as far as one is not following the truth, even 10 years after now, that person will be coming to the same stream and will be saying me, hey Aftab, I wish I listened to you. I have such people in my circle who said, I wish Aftab I have listened to you. I would be in a different situation in my life now. And I feel sympathy for them, but now I cannot do anything for them. Why? Because if a person has $0 in his account, how can I help him? Huh? Let's see, this is getting closer to my entry zone. So I will be preparing myself for the entry. So then let's see if it stops me out or what it does to me. London session is opening in 11 minutes. I will be observing it on a 1 minute first. $4,018. I want to see it bullish. Otherwise, if it reverses from here, I will not chase it at all. I mean, literally, I will not chase it at all. See, there is a very big volume, and as it approaches my level, RSI is also getting overbought. So this is another good signal for me that okay, maybe I can take some trades right here. But what is happening at the moment is the bulls are being crushed on the lower time frames. See, bulls entered right here, their SLs are gone. Bulls appeared right here, their SLs are gone. Why? Because they didn't waited for the market nicely. Even let's suppose I trade right now right here. There are bigger levels as well from yesterday, if you remember. This correction, at least if there is one other Fibonacci, there is near 3986, and obviously then this Fibonacci as well. But maybe wherever I get a good signal, I will enter. I will enter wherever I get a good signal. And if I miss, I miss. No regrets, nothing. I mean, literally nothing. I'm setting up a studio, then a lot of the educational videos will be uploaded for you. Okay, it is approaching right here. No blind trade I will be taking. $4,018. And maybe if it stops me out, I will not chase it for another entry, because there are always some other levels that I can trade. Let it enter this zone, then see if it respects or not. In 8 minutes London session is going to open, so that will bring some volatility to us. Let's see. I mean, right here, see, it lost its momentum, and break below this will mean change of character. A little bit more down, and let's see. 4022, it dropped to 4018. I want to see a good rejection, because see, here is maybe the 50% traders already entered into the market, but I trade the 61.8 is here, the 50 is here. So if reverses from 50, I think I will miss it. One more candle. Let's say if those who bought from here already made 47 pips on it. Already made 57 pips on it. But the thing is, we definitely need some confirmation at this zone. So once we get it, we easily can trade. So yes, patiently wait here, my friends. My audio is too loud. Let me adjust it. It should be good now. You guys are not telling me in the chat why. Why you guys are not talking to me in the chat? I'm just talking for almost like how much time I'm live? For 52 minutes I'm talking as if I'm talking to myself, and you guys are not talking in the chat. Why? Why don't you chat with me? I come here to have little bit of chat with you as well, not just always teach the things or stuff. I come here to just talk to you as well, to the real traders. What are the problems you are facing? So maybe if I can be of any help, I can help. But like you guys come and just little bit waiting for setup. But why so serious? Why you guys are so serious? Just talk to each other. Just relax. If this setup fails, we get another one. Let's see. Yes, I'm also waiting for it. But this, when we wait for it, if I tell you about myself, when I want a trade so much badly, I just lose focus on my surrounding, what's going on right here. Let's see what it is going to do with us today. Dun, 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 dun. Maybe on the London Open a big spike. If that's the case, oh, that will be such a beautiful entry. Oh my friend, that will be just the perfect entry. I have in real life a lot of works pending, but I just don't get time even on weekends. On weekends, like my phone is just like down, 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 ringing. Let me put it on charge. Later, the people will be complaining, Aftab, you don't give us a response on time. Hmm. Getting in trade too early. This is FOMO. FOMO is derived by fear, and you just try to find out what is that fear. Like, obviously, if one enters into, like, if I enter into a trade early, I will ask myself why I'm entering early. Then an answer will come that you have fear. Okay, I will say what fear. An answer will come because you want to uh, don't miss this trade. Then I will say why I don't want to miss this trade. Then I will say I need money. I will say why I need money. There is the big question. Why I need quick money? Do I need to pay some bills, or do I want to grow my account very quickly? Because both of these terms are can potentially lead us to failure. For example, if I have to pay the bills and I need this trade, then the chances are I may enter into a trade very early and that trade can go against me. Even for example, if I enter right here, let's say, and it go against me, my stop loss will not be much. But if I enter right here and if it go against me, the stop loss will be almost the double, and then it will become my habit. So keep asking yourself these psychological questions. If I am getting entering into a trade early, why I am entering? If there is, like, when I have to pay the bills, let's say, it will create that urgency over my mind. Urgency means, urgency. I have to make money. I have to recover the loss. I have to be profitable. I have to be this. I have to be that. No doubt, my friend. I This is like myself talking. So I tell myself, oh my friend, don't worry. Don't worry at all. This market is full of opportunities, if not today, tomorrow, if not in this session, later in the NY session, we get it. Let me tell you, the one who entered from here, that's fine. The one who entered from right here is completely what? A mistake. Why? Because immediately, like, the market was supposed to be going up from here, no doubt. But I mean, this drop, no one can stop it. It can still come down. Even if I take a buy trade right here, I still cannot control it at all to not go against me. But in the longer run, if I follow the system, I know I have tested the strategy, everything. So I know in the longer, today I will lose, but in the longer run, with this mindset, I will be winning. So automatically the law on the stop loss hit, I say it is part of the system. Just this. Now, right here, those who entered emotionally, this candle came, took their stop loss of around 35 pips. See? See, euro dollar is not respecting the level. Maybe gold can also not respect, but at least I will be trying to buy right here. London opened. London market opened. London market opened. Surprisingly, we have no big news for the dollar today. Tomorrow is consumer sentiment and inflation expectation. Tomorrow is important for Australia as well because government Bullock speaks. Government Bullock or GOV Bullock? Even if it gives me so much profit, still I am not entering on this candle. I want to wait here. Marcos, hi, how are you doing? It's okay, it must be a different time zone for you. But anyways, thank you so much for showing up here and giving me a comment. This makes me like Marcos is one of our good follower of every stream. He's very active. Come on, gold, drop a little bit. And one more thing, just don't limit yourself to one pair, okay? Try to screen out other pairs as well. For the intraday, gold is my favorite. Otherwise, for position trading, the currency pairs are my favorite. I am holding sell on pound and euro US dollar long term, maybe till March, upcoming March. Well, I think my friend market reversed from here. It didn't get a chance to us to enter from here. There is this support with us as well. By how much? 4022 it came down and I was willing to buy it near 4018. So let's see, London has just opened, so it can obviously give us further opportunities. But there is no doubt liquidity and market can come back down, fill the liquidity. If not, we just let it go. Maybe in the NY session we find another trade opportunity. Maybe in this same session we can find another opportunity. Pound is nicely dropping. Euro, oh, euro started to reject from the same level. But you know, hardly if I take it for like, it will just give me 25 pips. So I have to then increase my lot size on the euro dollar, which I don't want to at this moment. And euro US dollar long term, I'm anyways holding sell positions. So I think is better. Let's see if we get any engulfing candle on the 15-minute or not. I think I missed this level. I think. But like no problem at all. Yes, Marcus, I will try to stream the NY session. I will. Let's see it on the 1 minute. Maybe there is still this drop coming and I'm not willing to buy here. Okay, I'm not willing to buy here. This is not that right 61.8. The right entry is right here and this is 50%. So I don't trade the 50%. I trade the 61.8, which is right here. I mean, this is the discipline thing, okay? If you anyone want to trade the 50, then you have to trade the 50 all of the time. But 61.8 has given me such good opportunities in the past. Let's see, it may be right here on the 1 minute, but I think this is still a bit FOMO entry from right here because it can easily stop me out with 42 pips. So wait is always better. Okay, I mean there is no better strategy than patience in Forex. Oh, what happened to my internet? There is some disconnection on my chart. Why? What? Like what? What? Let me check my internet. Oh, let me check my internet. Go to speed test. Okay, nice. Internet seems to be going nicely. Congratulations, everyone. I get 5 Mbps speed. This is Pakistan. This is Pakistan. But the internet is stable. Maybe there is some problem with the. When it is the right time to enter, the broker will disconnect it. I'm going to. Anyways, I will be switching to a 5K account later today. 5K account I'm getting today. So let's see how the journey on that will be. Maybe I will get a chance to trade a little bit bigger lot sizes. Where let me see it on the trading view. Okay, it resumed. It resumed. No, I still want to trade from here. I just want to skip this one. What happened to this broker? Today I will be switching to the IC market. This is a 618, but I don't feel to enter here. Okay, it will create a double bottom right here. Maybe people will try to buy from here, then their stop losses will hit. So it's better to wait for a good level, and the good level obviously is this only if I get a valid confirmation. If no confirmation, then nothing. We do nothing. This is not that ideal double bottom which I look for. And I mean, look at these candles. I cannot buy. Right here, 60 pips I can get immediately. But let's see, let it drop here. Let's see. Liquidity sweep below down this level. If I buy now, I will have 14 pips of an SL. Let's see. This is a very big bearish engulfing on the 5 minute, and the right level to buy is this. So if I buy right here will mean that I am getting FOMO. So no doubt it can give me then good profits, but it will then become my habit. And from good trader I will again turn bad trader, and the whole day I will have regret. Even if I make profit, I will have regret that, oh, I didn't bought at my zone. Otherwise, see, this level 30 pips gave, already it gave it. I just want to be disciplined enough. This discipline thing, I have got it very hardly, my friend. I have such stories in the past. Maybe it go up there and drop back. Let's see the index a little bit to find out what the index is doing. Yesterday in the London session, I discussed this 104 level. So anyone who is interested in that can check out the yesterday's session number 37. This candle has a wick as well. RSI is also, there is still some room left right here. Do you know my 7 pillars forex strategy? I have printed a copy of this right here in front of me so that it reminds me of my strategy, because this is also like the market will be playing around with our memory as well most of the time. Well, I think the market took a support from here, but I missed it. See, another confirmation right here. I missed it. But missing a trade is also not bad. No trade is always also a good trade as well. This level it got rejected. If you took it, just book 50 pips, okay? Don't be too greedy. If one wants to leave it open, well, they can leave it open and get 200 pips from it. But I mean, like the London session just opened, the Asian session just closed. So in the real time, since this is my not my own level, so even if this is true bullish, still I will be keep thinking maybe these are false, maybe these are false. Yes, if such pattern formed on my level right here, I would be very happy. I'm now happy as well. I'm not saying I'm sad, but it can sharp rally up. Yes, if RSI go above 80 and price remains below this level, there will be then a chance to come back down, hit my level, then I can buy. Or I can trade this breakout. See this breakout on 1 minute. So whichever comes first, I take it, because when I when I miss a trade, I then catch it on the breakout. A bit aggressive it is, because still see it will have again like 100 pips of an SL, but only upon confirmation I can take it. But first priority is I want to wait for this level. See, a lot of the bulls entered right here, a lot of the liquidity created below this level, and this trend line is not so much mature at this stage. This is just like a 5 minute trend line, so I'm not interested. Give me likes as if, like, as a feedback. You can give me a like on the stream. 10 watching, just 6 likes. Let's patiently wait and see. Still no good volume at the moment. In 4 minutes, let's see, the 30-minute candle is going to close. So we have to see how it closes. See, the 30-minute candle cannot close above the previous body. 3 minutes we have, so let's see, in 3 minutes anything can happen. And remember, if it break this level, then this will be the ABCD for the day. But ideally I am not looking for selling, so I will then be trying maybe in the NY session 39.84 somewhere for a buy if I'm stopped out on this one. First let's see, let me catch it first, then we see. That's why I said book this 50 pips from here. This is a classic M pattern formation that can point us to 4018. See, that was the reason I was not buying on euro dollar from 61.8, because there is something big happening. In the Asian session, go for a correction. In the Asian session, go for a correction every day. And later in the NY and in the pound, in the London session, it tried to drop. And similarly, this pound dollar is also seems like dropping further. The next target will be 1.31. CHF almost completed its bullish wave. Congratulations everyone. We bought from here as well, from here as well. Discussed it in the weekly forex forecast videos as well. Pound yen, let's see pound yen as well. This was my breakout retest level, but the market opened with a gap, so nothing we have. Dollar CAD, this buy I was looking for long term, but the market continued bullish. I am just holding a bullish opinion at the moment from right here, discussed in the weekly forecasts. Next target might be 1.47, this previous broken level. Sorry, 1.4176. Gold again tried to go back up, but as I said, I am not buying. Market makers, I am not buying at this price point. It started its consolidation zone right here between 4030 and maybe then let's see in the NY session. But for now, I think still let's see, we have some time left. So if it dropped to my level 4018, I can buy. 4020 was also a psychological number, but it also till now so far didn't hit 4020 as well. So okay, now I will be in a better position to maybe trade this breakout, because market has spent some time inside it. So to the buy from either right here or either right here, in the middle I do nothing. This is a range for me. I need a breakout from it to the top side or a break below. I'm not looking to sell, but I just want to look for buy maybe. Yes. And this is just my strategy which tells me not to look for sell at this stage, because this was my yesterday's level. You will remember from yesterday. It moved almost 400 pips. After this stream, if you have time, check out my previous stream, you will get the answer. Hmm. Come on, gold, drop. I want to buy you from a good price point. Drop a little bit, please. Here is the DSLR, a lot of educational content in this, but I need some time to edit those videos. Earlier I tried to capture a moon with it as well, but it couldn't capture the moon. Last night we had a super moon. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, still gold seems maybe this time it can come back down so that we can buy. See, on the 5 minute, it's not really going up. If a short drop comes, remember I'm not buying right here then, okay? This is what it is stopping it from. I was expecting it in the London session, but I think it is not. Maybe. Let's see. I still have like 22 plus 18. So 40 minutes. Then I will go pick my kids from school. So then I will not be able to trade. Today I'm getting 5k count. 5k on the IC market, my favorite broker. 5k account I'm getting, and I am allowed to wash the account. I have 2 months to make it either double or to wash it. The owner doesn't care about 5k. But the thing is, I will be on the MetaTrader 4 then. But it's okay. See, that was that reason I was not buying euro dollar. Even it show up. But see, like when everything is dropping, and even yesterday I said it is dropping, and even on the daily it is dropping, and even on the weekly it struggled a lot for so many weeks right here. 1.18 it couldn't break. So if 1.18 cannot be broken, 1.13, 1.10, 1.08 are the long-term levels. This is the most nearest one we have from 27th of July 2025. Let's see gold. Further 40 minutes I will be live, then I will go pick my kids from school. Maybe I can leave the chart as this, and then but I have a meeting, so my computer will not be idle. When I pick my kids from school, have lunch, I have a meeting with my member, my client I should say, 40 minutes. So then after that meeting I will try to take a little nap. Then after the nap I will have my prayer, and then after the prayer the NY session will start. Then till 7 p.m. I cover the NY session, and then I have another meeting with another member or client, and then I finally wrap up my day. I am a full-time Forex trader, mentor, coach, analyst, motivator, you just name it. Personally, 1,000 times I fell in the past, 1,000 times I stand up, and that's why since 2016 I am on YouTube. And this straightforward nature I have, oh my god, people are just following the hype. I mean, what is hidden in the hype? Just tell me this. What is hidden in the hype? Why the traders are keep like, you know why? Let me tell you. Because we want some of us have lost money. Some of us want to be quickly getting a millionaire. Even that's not a bad idea, but that also doesn't mean that we will be trading bad. When I was a beginner, I also wanted to just be a millionaire overnight. But that mindset ended up nowhere. Literally nowhere. It has created on 15-minute this like this momentum, I should say. Every 15-minute candle cannot break below, so I think maybe the market is going straight up from here. So let's see then. Let's trade. Then I trade this breakout. No problem at all. Yes, here I find it. But this is again 50. I don't trade the 50 retracement. I just trade the 61. No matter how much profits I miss from right here, but I should remain with my discipline. I like my discipline. And this is what I want you to also like your discipline. Just don't follow someone blindly from here and there and there and there. Follow your discipline. Once you have this strategy that I gave you in my on my channel, free of cost, I gave you. Free of cost. Just understand that strategy and make it with discipline. Then see. Make and see, my friends, then. Don't limit your performance to just one trade, one setup. Try to think with a millionaire mindset. The owner of the iPhone, if followed, like what did the BlackBerry did wrong? So the iPhone win. When the technology was evolving, BlackBerry was still stuck in that keypad phones. BlackBerry was thinking that on the screen one cannot write effectively, but iPhone leveraged that. Okay, maybe let's see, maybe a breakout is coming. So maybe quickly I can get maybe 20-30 pips, because I will be not leaving this position. Maybe again at the same level, RSI is again above 75, but no doubt volume is coming. Let me quickly turn on the volume because we do need it. Volume data. Okay, small volume is coming on the buy. The candle is moving big. Even bigger volume was coming on the sell right here, but the candles were not big. So with low volume, the market is moving up. What does that mean? That means there are no sellers in the market. So maybe a breakout is occurring. But the breakout can be maybe so much fast, then I have to wait for it to come back down, take a retest, and on the retest I can buy. But at least unless the breakout doesn't occur, I'm not buying because of my discipline. And here and there, what we have this discipline, right? We don't have anything else. And what is discipline? Patience. I hope you guys understand my concepts one day. I hope you do. I will be wearing this t-shirt in the NY session. This one. My favorite one. Wow. Let me put it there. Ah, yes. That's good. $4,030 became a challenge for it. This is the range for pound. Hourly candle is closing in how much time? 9 minutes. Previous one is bearish engulfing. So let's see this one. Bulls are losing power. Okay guys, I'm leaving. Okay, I'm leaving. Maybe it can continue from there, then a breakout retest continuation, but for now this level 4018, upon confirmation I will be looking for confirmation, no blind buying. So if it can wick down, and yes, if there is no confirmation, then maybe this level, and if it is broken, then market is from here, from on an intraday zone from 4004, it is coming back down to 3985. But for now I think first attempt the bulls can do is, maybe I will miss it by then, if it, if I'm not in front of the PC, if it come back down till here and continue. I was so willing to buy it right here, but it's okay. I will take another one, okay, somewhere else, maybe in the NY session, or maybe I cannot get anything at all. So this is Forex, and this is how it works. Thank you so much everyone for being here with me. Make sure to show up every day in the stream, and I hope you will get better traders over time. Thank you again. Peace out.